Hey guys, so real quick, just want to go ahead and share some packages I received in the mail. They are from Luvlette. Absolutely love them. I have worked with them before. So let's get into it. So the first one we have here. Let's see. This is my first time opening it, so we're gonna figure this out together. Oh, I already know what it is. So the first one we have is a pajama set. Absolutely loving it. I do get to pick out what they send me, so I kind of like already know what it is. I just don't know like the quality and the sizing and stuff. And here are the bottoms. It does look a little oversized, but I got these oversized on purpose because it doesn't like stretch. So I'd rather go like up a size than it being like too small and smashing my butt. So let's see what else we got. Up next is a smaller package. Let's see what we have inside. How cute is this bra? Oh, that is so adorable. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. Absolutely love it. I think yellow and green might be my favorite colors. But let's see what else we have.
So I will go ahead and leave all the information down below. Oh, this feels amazing. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little tag. Don't mind my nails, so just rip them off. This is so cute. Oh, and then we have the bottoms. How cute is this? I cannot wait to try this on.
And last but not least, we have a robe, a beautiful white robe. I got this robe on purpose to match it with the yellow bra. So let's go ahead and try some on for you guys. So here's the first one. Absolutely loving the pockets and the style. I think it's so cute. So what I was talking about, the pants being too tight on my butt. So these are actually a little tight on my butt. Let me see. Try to. So you guys see how like they're a little tight on my butt and they don't go up. But they're still cute. Let's see what else we got. So next we have the robe, which is so cute. Absolutely love it. It does come in different colors. And we have the top, which again is so cute. And here is the last one. I think this one might be my favorite. It is so soft. And this one is just a little tight, but it does fit way better. Like my butt everything just has to be tight on my butt. I think the black one, just gonna give it to my sister. Her butt is just a little bit smaller than mine. So yeah, hope you guys like it. I'll leave all the information down below.